Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for WP Simulator. Now this is a little bit different to what I normally promote. I normally promote cloud-based systems. This is training and access to software as well. Now what WP Simulator does, it allows you to take a copy of a WordPress site and take it offline, so you can work on that WordPress site offline. So for example, if you've ever uploaded a plugin and you've got issues with your other plugins, causes things not to work, things like that, what you can do with WP Simulator is you can simulate the site offline. So if you upload the plugin, you have any issues, you're not going to do that to a live site. Same with themes, or if, let's say you got hacked, your site got hacked, and lots and lots of people who've had the sites hacked. So you get your site hacked, you can instantly replace that site from your backup copy offline. And you can use this with clients as well. So you get a full commercial right. So you can work with clients, back up the WordPress sites, keep a backup of them, work on them offline for them, etc. It's a really nice system, and if you use WordPress like I do a lot, then you definitely need this. Now what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to cover the bonuses, I'm going to go through the bonuses, then I'm going to go through the funnel, and I'm going to show you inside WP Simulator as well, so you can see what it's all about. Now first, the bonuses. Now the bonuses are for the front end offer only. There is no upsell bonus, there is no fast pass bonus, there's no bundle bonus. Everything you see here, you get on the front end offer. So purchase the front end and you get all these bonuses inside. Now the first one is WP PLR offers. Now in that you get 10 WordPress products that have full PLR rights. That means you can rebrand, resell, own, use them as bonuses, membership sites, etc. And there's video courses, ebooks and plugins. So you get those inside the membership system, and you get 10 WP WordPress PLR products. Okay, so that alone is worth the cost of WP Simulator. And on top of that, I'm also going to give you access to PLR offers membership. So in there we've got 5 complete done for you PLR offers. In there you get the lead page, you get the giveaway book, you get the thank you delivery, fully editable PSDs, you get the upgrade sales page, upgrade video course, and all the marketing graphics as well. So those 2 are amazing bonuses just by themselves. Now, everything else I've got is WordPress related, because this is a nice WordPress product. I thought I'd put together a nice WordPress bonus. So you've got the WordPress affiliate system, you've got the WP automation secrets, WP training kit, all-in-one free stock photos WordPress plugin, WordPress success, WP email countdown, WP page takeover, WP opt-in converter, WP slideshow max, WP checkout maximizer, WP blog roll, 5 ways to secure your site, WordPress site, GDPR Cookie Express WordPress plugin, how to WordPress plugins, optimizing WordPress, trending keywords WordPress plugin, WordPress engagement boost, WordPress LMS course. So you can see there's a lot of WordPress offers here. So WordPress privacy plugin, WordPress success, install SEO WordPress, making money with WordPress, WP Facebook quiz creator, WP in content pop-up pro, WP list formula, and that's it. There's quite a lot there. So you get 25 WordPress bonuses, you get the PLR offers site, plus you get 10 WordPress PLR offers as well. So a huge bonus. So let me jump across to the funnel so you can see what's involved in the funnel, but please bear in mind everything I've just shown you is for the front end only. Okay, so let me jump across to the funnel. Now the first offer in the funnel is the agency client finder. Now this would be a very good upsell, because don't forget you've got commercial rights to WP Simulator, so you need to go out, find those clients. This is a perfect add-on for that. Then you've got the second upsell is Power Online Reviews. So this says ethically and legally generate real positive reviews for any customer. So a service that you can deliver in 15 minutes and get paid for month after month. So you get commercial rights to that as well. So you've got commercial rights on the front end. You've got the first upsell that allows you to find the clients. Then you've got this, and there's another service you can sell to them as well. And in the last upsell, which is WP Toolkit Developers Edition, you get 600 plus premium themes and plugins with developers' rights. So that's a huge collection there. So out of the three, if you're looking to kind of really utilize WP Simulator, start to find clients, I definitely would look at the first upsell, but the other two are really good upsells as well. So, but don't forget, all my bonuses are for the front end offer. Okay, so I'm going to jump inside WP Simulator now so you can see what it's all about and what it does. Okay guys, here we are inside WP Simulator. Now, as I said, it does come with full commercial rights. You get the agency rights to training and everything that's included. So as I said, this is a little bit different from what I normally promote. I normally promote cloud-based systems, so software. This is training and access to the software as well. And also you get some bonuses as well. So lots of in-depth tutorials in here, getting started, installing Zap on your local server, installing WordPress locally, using themes, plugins, etc., moving your local site to your live hosting. Let's have a look. Copying a live site to your local server, importing your site to local server, and WP config changes. So you've got bonus videos, so essential plugins, so lots of plugins that Matt and his team use, and recommended useful plugins here. Again, all the recommended plugins that they use here. Some links and discounts to some of their other products. Choosing your theme. Again, it gives you access to some of the themes they use, and cleaning themes. This is really important as well. So you check and clean the themes you're putting on there for external links and bad encrypted code. So, and then PHP my admin intro. So as you can see, this is a really in-depth course. It gives you everything you need. It gives you the software. It gives you the training. It gives you everything you need to be able to take your site online to offline, and allows you to manage everything that you need there. And it gives you all the extras as well. So, the plugins that they use, the themes that they use, everything here is covered, and the training is very nice. It's very clear and very easy to understand as well. So a really nice product, and like I said, if you use WordPress, you definitely need this. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.